Madden Mobile Boss, and today I'm going to be doing 4 specialist packs. These are like all of my coins, so if I don't pull anything out of them, I'll be like all the way out of coins. If I pull like a 95 or better, that's like 500,000 coins, so that's like guaranteed profit. And I'm hoping I can pull something good like Cordell Patterson or Stefan Gostkowski or Steven Hauschka. And I guess we'll just get into it. Oh, Pat McAfee. I got him once before in a specialist pack. I don't know if he goes for good coins, but probably not. He's like one of the worst people you can get. Oh, I just got him in my last video in a specialist pack. Brian Anger. He zeroes up for okay coins. I'm hoping to get something good. Another Pat McAfee. I have one left. I'm gonna cover it up. Oh, Robbie Gold, one of the worst ones. This is like the worst specialist packs ever. But I wonder what the Pat McAfee goes up for. Ooh, that's really good profit right there. And the Robbie Gold. Probably not as much. Oh yeah, that's way a big loss of coins right there. And the Brian Anger. Ooh, that's some really good coins. So overall, this pack opening actually wasn't that bad. And I guess that's my third video ending. I'm gonna do one pro pack at the end of it. Mike Wallace.